Among the many wow moments our face recognition technology has brought to the software, using it with family images has got to be right up there with the best. Let's see why. For starters, you can use face recognition to associate subjects to their families. You need this association if you want to create family products such as these. Now, of course, you've always been able to link subjects to their family, but it was a rather arduous, time-consuming task. Face recognition makes it easy. Here we have some families, and they already have matched family images. If I select each family one at a time, you note there are no subjects associated to them yet. I could now drag and drop subjects into the family in the traditional way, but instead we'll use the technology to do the work for us. Select all the families and simply go to Families, Associate with Subject Faces. This action will look at the individual faces in the family image, go fetch the subjects with the same face, and drop them into the family. Now when I look at each family, you can see the subjects are associated to them. Very nice. As good as that is, we can go further. Imagine turning up to photograph a school without having to worry about how to match families. The siblings can just rock up to you at any time and all you do is photograph them. No need for capture post, no need for QR codes. I've got that scenario here. In details mode, you can see we don't yet have families. In images mode, the subject images are all nicely matched, but the family images are not. They are unmatched images. We don't know who they are or who they belong to. First step is to select all the family images and detect the faces in them with Ctrl F5. Now go to Images, Create for Unmatched, Families. We're going to create families from these unmatched images. We basically activate the function with this option, Recognize and Match Same Faces. That means if two or more images have the same set of faces in them, we will consider them the same family. The sub-option Also Match with Existing Families will check if we already have a family with this set of faces, and if so, we'll match the image to the existing family rather than make a new one. Associate with Matched Subject Faces is what we just saw. With this option, the subjects will be copied into the family. Finally, we can elect to have the family named according to those subjects' last names. In the absence of names, it will use the image file name. Hit OK, and in just a few moments, we can go to details mode to see all the families have been created, the images have been matched to them, and subjects have been copied to the family. Let's have a closer look at how the families are named. When the subjects in the family have the same last name, as is most often the case, the family uses that name also. When the subjects have different last names, it joins them to create the family name. You can see that here with the Johnson-Jordan family. This family doesn't have individual subject portraits, so all it could do was use the image's file name as the family name as well. Of course, remember you can always rename the family to anything you like. Face recognition and families, another wow moment. Bye for now.